Hi, welcome to the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. Today's lesson is from the McGuffey's Eclectic Primer, and we are on Lesson 18. Lesson 18, the pet bird. And today's sounds are the O sound in loves, the G sound in cage, and the ng, as in sing. And today's words are cage, pet, sing, lives, so, loves. I hope you're reading along. Let's try that one more time. Cage, pet, sing, lives, so, loves. And loves sounds like doves. Loves, doves. And the word lives, I put a little star next to it because you're just going to have to memorize. It's not a long I sound. It's lives. Cage, however, has a long vowel sound, the A sound. Cage, age, page, rage, sage, wage. And sing has a ring to it. Sing, ding, ping, ring, wing. And while we're reading the lesson today, keep an eye out for this little mark followed by an S. It's called an apostrophe S. And that means that something belongs to that person. So let's read the lesson. This is a pet bird. This is a pet bird. It lives in a new cage. It lives in a new cage. It will stand on Sue's hand and sing. It will stand on Sue's hand and sing. Sue loves her pet bird. Sue loves her pet bird. So do I love it. So do I love it. Let's read it through one more time. This is a pet bird. It lives in a new cage. It will stand on Sue's hand and sing. Sue loves her pet bird. So do I love it. I love birds. And that's the end of our lesson for today. But don't forget to go to the McGuffeyReaders.blogspot.com to download the worksheets that go along with this lesson. And you can back up the lesson at any time and read these sentences for yourself. Talk to you later. Thanks for visiting the McGuffey Readers Online Tutor. Bye-bye.